Hey guys, so today's video I'm just going to show you how to install these defogger demister covers. These are very handy because you can easily break the switch or the wire, you can pull it. So it's got these 3M tape or whatever inside. Obviously I think this one is there. There's three things you have to make sure. First you have to make sure that the tip is not actually hitting the paint here. The clip is not touching the glass, and that it's straight parallel to the line here. So once you got those things, you can go ahead and install it. So first thing you have to do, just clean it up a bit so the tape can adhere to it nicely. That's going to be fine. So what I'm going to do is take a tape, cool. Now we have a rough idea, we can go ahead and install it. So I'm gonna align it like how it was. That's pretty good. Make sure it's not hitting the glass. It's not. Cool. So I'll show you how to do it on the other side now. Quick spray. Any sort of degreaser, cleaner. Now just line it up. Oh guys, I got this from AliExpress, a very cheap one. I just saw the cheapest one there and got it basically all the same. Guys, so I've measured it. Same thing as the other side. It's all done. Thanks for watching.